Hello and welcome to WYCE, or what you can expect before you buy some product. On today's menu we have energy system headphones called Urban 3. Okay, from the front side we have obviously design, headphones, what they look like, white color, Bluetooth plus 3.5 millimeters, deep bass. That is front side. From the back side we have some informations like energy headphones, BT Urban 3, make your music and surrounding vibrate with stunning bass sound. So deep bass, comfortable ear pads, metal finishes, Bluetooth 4.2, extended battery up to 13 hours, and toll control or control toll. From this side we have, I think this is a heart, maybe it is a check mark, I don't know. From this side Urban 3, and at the bottom we have model, guarantee, design in Spain, and yeah, so that's it. Now let's open this up. Okay, we have our copper and very sharp. It's just going through this shit. All right, let's open it up. Okay, and you can expect this from budget phones. Not very good box. In here we have some plastic holding, not from this side, we're going to this side. All right, and that's the box. In here, headphones, plastic, I don't know, for budget headphones they cost around 35 bucks, but I don't know, good design, looks great, white color. Beside the headphones we have this box, and in here I suppose there is a charger and audio cable. Yep, audio cable, white also, and USB for charging. And let me see, we have some manuals and some stuff. Okay, so this is a manual. I don't think I'm going to read this. They're headphones. Okay, next thing, energy system. What do we have in here? Some other products like smart speaker, running neon, travel fee 5 amp, and yeah. And we have some stickers. This looks nice. And what is this? Club Energy. Yeah, for warranty. Now let's connect them to see what sound they are producing. Beside, very nice cable. Not the plastic one, it is wrapped with this shit. Alright, so that, and plug this one. Now we need to find some royalty music. I don't know, pretty nice sound. And a great bass. And you can extend them up to the point where this goes. Yeah, they sound nice. For this budget headphones, they sound pretty nice. I don't know, if you don't want to spend too much money on headphones, I can definitely recommend these ones. They are nice, comfy. They are also wireless. They sound pretty fair and nice to me, at least. I don't know, check it out. Okay, this is it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe on the channel, and yeah, we will see you in the next one. Peace.